one of the main reasons why we chose Actuate over our competitors was just the API structure and the architecture within Actuate and the BIRT product. So, being able to customize the workflows, being able to customize the UI and how that was exposed to our customers was very, very important.
As we've introduced Actuate, we're exploring everything from geography-based reports that you can drill down through to reports with more interesting graphics or metrics that you can get a better sense of what's really going on.
Our customers wanted the ability to manipulate reports, and while we could give them some of that capability in our old infrastructure, much more extensive with BIRT. The ability to do all the things you can do with Microsoft Excel and more. Export it to PDF, create charts and graphs on the fly. That was all incredibly important to our clients.
So our initial work with BIRT really focused on our external offering, and that's where we spent a majority of our time. We now are turning our sights on our operations area. They're really the area of the company looking for some help, and with all the data that we pulled together to create My Service Center, we now have a wealth of data we can mine for operations.
Internally, we've got a couple dozen people that are using it, and it's already saving hours a month per individual.
And we use it for a variety of things. We use it to watch over the service levels we're delivering. We use it to watch over our production levels, make sure our backlogs aren't growing. So it's becoming a pretty vital tool to our operations team.
So for the first time, it's not just looking at how a particular member's doing, but they're looking at a context of how they're doing in the entire industry.
We're going to have the ability to have a social flavor with the analytics. I mean, not just the sharing of reports, the posting of reports, and the automation that all that has, but so we have a community for our users today, and they can share comments, ideas about the system. Wouldn't it be cool if they could share custom templates that they've built with their reporting products with other customers? I mean, they're not sharing their data, but just the templates that they use to drive these reports, to build these reports, and why they think that those reports are important. Now they, having the ability to share those templates with other customers, I mean, the viral growth that that'll have for people building custom reports is huge.
So at the very beginning of the interaction, our customers have the ability to play and adapt the reports to meet their own needs.
We like the way that the templating works, the ability to create just one consistent view across all the different renderings. We like the interactive viewer, we've mentioned that before, but we expect to see more out of that. It means a lot to us to be able to give flexibility to our consumers, the ability to modify and really dig into reports. So that interactive nature really set Actuate apart.
It's really going from typing with mittens to typing with gloves, where it's going from static information to completely dynamic information that you can drill into, you can look at many different ways, and you can combine your own information into that, and you can get that information anywhere, anytime, on any device.
I don't have to worry about our analytic product when it comes to features and functions, keeping up with technology. Actuate is doing that for us. So I can spend my time where I need to spend my time, and Actuate is cutting edge technology. They have all the features and functions that an analytic engine needs to have. They're continuing to add those, and because it's embedded within Taleo, naturally we get to benefit from all the things that Actuate does. So basically, it's empowering me to have better analytics automatically just by having this third-party product within Taleo Business Edition.
We're able to integrate that into our MyTask web portal. We've built a mashup using PHP and Java. We've integrated it seamlessly into our product line. And you can't tell that BIRT is an engine running it, but it allows us to create some just fantastic looking reports. It's probably a solution we could have developed if we had 4 or 5 years to develop. In this case, we developed it in about 3 months.